Today I'm gonna make chicken noodle soup. It's delicious soup that goes well especially with Australian cold winter, so keep watching. The ingredients you need are celery, onion, carrot, fish leaf, and most importantly, chicken. Wash the potato thoroughly and cut them into large pieces. Do the same with carrots. Oh, don't forget to boil the pasta. Fish leaf is my favorite. Cut the onion into large pieces too. Prepare a large pot and boil the fish leaf, potato, carrot, and chicken together. Don't forget to add chicken stock and pepper in the middle of cooking. Add the onion and parsley at the very end and stir while boiling with a ladle and you're done. Chill out in Australia with blessed chicken soup.